guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do another random fun haul, Bath & Body Works candle haul before we get started with Foundation Week. Foundation Week is coming next week, you guys, so mark your calendars. Boom! Foundation Week. But until then, I thought we would do a Bath & Body Works haul because they just had their sale in my time. It was a while ago, probably for you guys, but just had their semi-annual sale. I bought a bunch of candles and I bought some repeats from last Bath & Body Works haul where I had my husband with me. You should definitely go check that out. I'll link it up in an iCard. That was fun. But I just bought some more and I thought I would share them with you and we'll kind of talk about them. I don't know, the candles I got, and talk about like the notes, and I'll try to explain how they smell and my favorite ones and all of that jazz. So before we get started, make sure you're subscribed, make sure you've hit that notification bell, and let's get to it. All right. I have a humongous box, like a humongous box. So I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. So, first off, here we go. Frosted cranberry. I don't think I've ever gotten this one before, but I went over to my friend's house and she had this burning and it smelled so good. If I wouldn't have smelled it before, I don't think I've ever would have purchased it looking at it on the website. I don't know, frosted cranberry doesn't really sound super appealing to me. Oh, it says the fragrance notes here. Okay, I'll just read the notes. It's iced cranberries, blonde woods, red apple, and tonka bean. I know I like apple, and I know usually woodsy smells I really like. Iced cranberry though, it smells really good and really fresh, and even though it's like Christmassy, I still think like during this time, January, February, March, I can burn this and it's really, really nice. So I am super excited about this one. Next, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I got 2 leaves. This is my favorite candle of all time. It just brings back the memories of when I first got married. That first year, I got this as a present for my wedding, and oh my gosh, smells so good. I think it was like a wedding present, I'm not sure, but oh, I love this so much. So I got 2 in this like design with like the woodsy look. I thought it was super cute. So this one is crisp red apple. See, I told you guys I like red apple. Golden nectar and warm clove spice. I don't think I've ever checked to know like what the notes for the sleeves was. That's the first time I've ever seen that. Crisp red apple, golden nectar, warm clove spice. Never would have thought that those combinations would make such a good scent. So I got 2 of those. Oh, you guys, I got 2 of these ones too. So my top 2 favorite candles is Leaves and this one. This Marshmallow Fireside. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you're gonna pick up one candle, pick this one up. Pick this one up, or you can pick that one up. But this one, oh my gosh, so good. So like comfy and warm, and it just has a beautiful smell to it, like so delicious. Okay, so this has made with cedarwood and Palo Santo essential oils with notes of toasted marshmallow and vanilla. You know, when I heard marshmallow, it didn't really like, it's not super sweet, but when you smell it, like the marshmallow kind of turned me off, but once I smelled it, oh my gosh, this smells so good. It's so amazing. I got 2 of these little babies because this was too good. And they have different like designs. I just wanted the white one with the little marshmallows. I thought was super cute. This is another one I've never smelled before. Sparkling Woods. And this one looks similar to one I got last time, but this one's definitely different. So this one has, and I like it, it smells good. It says made with lavender. Okay, that's why I got it, because I do like lavender. I don't smell that though. Lavender and fir needle essential oils. I do smell that, the needles, with notes of bergamot and iced lemon, and I do smell the lemon. So it smells like lemon and like those fir needles. mixed together, that's more potent than the lavender. I don't really smell the lavender in there, but it smells good. It smells good, and we'll see how it smells whenever I turn it on. This one's called Mahogany Teakwood. This one smells like men. Sexy men. Every time I say that, I mean sexy men. So this is Rich Mahogany, Black Teakwood, Dark Oak, Frosted Lavender. Again, I got it for lavender, but I don't smell that all that much. But this one smells really good. And this is something I think my husband's gonna like because, you know, he's manly or something. Here's another one that I've never smelled before, but I saw like the light blue and it kind of like attracted me for like maybe hopefully like a spring smell. It's called Endless Weekend. I love anything that's like oceany or like linens, like clean scents, anything like that I really, really like. What is that? What is that? Fresh Summer, Mandarin, Sun-Kissed Magnolia, and Blue Coconut Water. Yep. Yeah, I could smell the fruit, like the fruitiness, but it has that coconut water and that magnolia. It actually smells really fresh and really good, and I'm gonna love this for the spring, and the color is so freaking cute. Oh, guys, this is my favorite color of all time. This is my favorite color of all time. So this one's Island Reef, and I'm not gonna lie, I saw this candle and I didn't care what it was. I was gonna get it because the color is so beautiful. Thank goodness it smells good. Thank goodness it smells good. This one is Fresh Island Citrus, Crisp, why can I not say that? Eucalyptus? There we go. Fresh Island Citrus, Crisp Eucalyptus, and Sparkling Waves. Anything with like waves and water, I always seem to like. I can smell the eucalyptus in there, but it's not too harsh because sometimes it can be like really spa facial smelling, like not in a good way, but this one smells really good. Fresh Island Citrus. Yeah, I really, really like this. I don't know, it's so cute. I might not even burn this. I might be just stinking, just have it out. I don't know. It does smell really, really, really amazing though. Oh, this was the last one, and it's another one of those marshmallow firesides that I just absolutely love. It's so freaking good. So that's it. That's it for all the candles that I got for this Bath & Body Works haul. Let me know in the comment section down below which candles you guys really, really like and you suggest that I try. I like I said, like the ocean, like watery ones, but I also love like fruits. If it's just flowery ones, I don't like them. If they're flowery mixed with fruits, mixed with fresh, I really like that. I love woodsy smells, anything that makes your house smell like really comfy, or clean, that's what I like. I mean, everyone likes that, I think, right? Anyways, that's it, you guys. I just wanted to also tell you guys, thank you so much for your support during Concealer Week. It was so much fun, and it was so great to see all your comments and your responses to that. It was a new series, and I'm definitely going to continue to do it because you guys seem to really like it. And I'm excited for Foundation Week. I hope you guys are too. If you're new to my channel and you don't know, I love doing foundation reviews, and so I do a whole foundation week where it's 7 straight days of nothing but foundation, and we like test out the foundation. We do a wear test. I test it for everything possibly imaginable, and it's just really fun, and it's every single day. You guys get to just kind of like hang out with me for a full day. I've been filming nonstop and I'm getting sick, and I've only filmed 3 days of Foundation Week, and I'm hoping that I don't lose my voice because I need to finish filming it. By the time you're seeing this video though, it's been done. It's been done, it's ready for next week, but I'm just like everyone's sick in my family right now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Give me a thumbs up if you like it when I do like Bath & Body Works haul, stuff like that. Give me a thumbs up, and yeah, I'm excited, you guys. I hope you're excited for next week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.